Blessed love my people. Big up on yourself. I don't know what's a new link there from New Link Production. Yeah, right about now, people. I have a really thing I think I need to talk about because as a person's reach out to me based off of some videos I made before. You get me? I say, but them people in the USA, which the wicked brother that they kill the woman there and everything. Well, what these people are trying to say to me is new link. With personally, we know these couple. You understand? We know them. And them are going to say, yo, we understand what the guy do and everything. The guy was a terrible guy. He was a wicked guy and everything. And we know say it happened a long time or whatever happened. But truth is truth and truth has to be heard. And you know what I mean? They're saying what you can do now maybe can help somebody else or prevent this from happening again. Well, basically, when they talk to me, I decide, say, you know what, I'm really going to talk over this and go over this thing. Well, people, on a real level, as I look into it now, and I said, so what they are saying is, stress is not an easy thing. Stress, annoying somebody, you know what I mean? Being an adult and someone having like, they want you to live like a child or something like that, you know what I mean? And it's for a man, especially a yard man or something like that, it's not easy. So what they're saying is this lady, right? And I think I did talk about this in video before. She wasn't just like, there wasn't just like a regular relationship like that where they go, come in, enjoy life together and everything. She was totally a different type. Meaning she bothered him a lot. Plenty. Every little thing is threat towards him that she gonna do this, she gonna do that. They said this man, he didn't even move away before, you understand, try to find himself at some different place and everything, and she forced him and everything, threatened him, you have to come back. So he tried. But it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy. It's wrong, you know, for him to like say what he did, it's really wrong, you know what I mean? Because there's no way he should have killed that lady, starved her up and everything like that. But they said, you know, when anger do get inside here sometime and everything, you know what I mean? Stress and everything is a limit. So the message I want to reach out there to these people out there, anybody out there is listen in our life. You see, it's best when I can avoid certain things, meaning don't try to be a burden towards people and their life overall, meaning stressing people, bothering people, being like a possessed, being like a demon in someone's life. You know what I mean? If you're with somebody, listen, sorry for that noise in the background, some work being done on this place. Alright, but if you've been with someone, right, just saying, things ain't working out, things ain't going good, no matter what, girlfriend, boyfriend, marriage, anything. You try, you have anger, arguments, you have fight. It's best you seek help. And if you're thinking seeking help is not an option, it's best you can just separate yourself. You know what I mean? In that separation of self, meaning you can maybe save that person's life and save your life, or save you from going to prison, save that person from going to prison. Just saying. So, on a real level, sometimes things do happen and we don't even know the fullest of where it really come from. I'm telling the people, we don't even know. Things happen, we don't know. It just happen, you understand? But me no know, you don't know where. As me I tell you, you no know, me no know what really go down in the whole life settings. But in the end, it does fall on the person who do it and the victim and everything, you know what I mean? Because the life, you know what I mean? As me I say now, any ladies out there, you see, if you see a man, two together, two is two adult or whatever wanna be, don't try to meaning pressure or code on people like that. Not because maybe what you do for the person in a life, or you know what I mean, and use it against the person. Because at the end of the day, you know, we have to think about life, think about our family members as well. You know what I mean? In situations, because we don't know. People will use things that they do for person at times being and use it against the person, and you know what I mean, like they have this big advantage or so over the person, but they don't know the fullest behind that. So there's a lot of way in life which we have to do think as human being on earth. We have to think and know what we are doing. And a real level people. So viewers and the subscribers, you know, me even not got too long, but you know what I mean? We don't know the fullest. And this youth now, he's in prison right now, as you see. He's in prison right now. Maybe he get a death penalty. His wife is gone. But this could have been prevented in a certain way. Ladies, if it not work, but yeah, guys, if it not work, nobody get angry and go kill. Ladies, nobody be a stalker. Nobody this no man certain way talk them is not your child is a big man because you can't marry to a child. Look into that. People that don't know the thing, but this is Newlink from Newlink Production, and we say attack, attack, attack. Blessings, people of love and of respect. Peace, love, out.